This 2020 Grand Design Reflection 312 BHTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford North, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center, Milford North. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 37 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 8, refrigerator, water heater, microwave, DVD player, Slideout, Skylight, stovetop burner, awning, TV, LP detector, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Grand Design Reflection 312 BHTS is 9,105 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.